subscribe.
First World Hotel, Malaysia, Genting Highlands, the world's largest hotel from 2006 to 2008 and presently after expansion since August 2015. Hotel has 7,351 rooms and it has 24 floors in Tower 1 and 28 floors in Tower 2. First World Hotel has set the Guinness World Records for the largest hotel in the world by number of rooms. The Venetian, located on Las Vegas, which was officially opened on 1 January 2008, took the title of world's largest hotel. In 2015, First World Hotel regained the title after opening a new block. The Venetian Las Vegas is a luxury hotel and casino resort located on the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise, United States. The Venetian Resort Complex is the world's second largest hotel with 4,049 rooms, 3,068 suites. With the adjacent Sands Expo Convention Center, the Palazzo Hotel and Casino Resort, and future MSG Sphere Las Vegas. The Venetian Resort Las Vegas, United States was the world's largest hotel from 2008 to 2015 with 7,092 rooms. The Venetian Resort has 53 floors. MGM Grand Las Vegas and the signature United States Las Vegas was the world's largest hotel from 1993 to 2006 with 6,852 rooms and 30 floors of MGM Grand and 38 floors of Signature. The MGM Grand is the largest single hotel in the United States with 6,852 rooms. It is also the third largest hotel complex in the world by number of rooms. Signature was built by a partnership between MGM Marriott and Turnberry Associates on the location of former MGM Grand Adventures theme park. Most of the condo units were to be privately owned. If a unit owner chooses, he or she may join the rental program. City Center, also known as City Center Las Vegas, is a mixed-use urban complex on 76 acres located on the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise. In City Center, Aria Complex has 16 floors and 4,004 rooms. The Harmon Complex has 27 floors and 400 rooms. Waldorf Astoria Complex has 56 floors, 392 rooms, and it is operated by Hilton worldwide. The Tara Complex has 57 floors and 1,495 rooms. Vistara is a hotel condo tower. It was the first of the city center buildings. Weir Towers has 37 floors and 674 condominiums. Sands Cottage Central Macau has 6,000 number of rooms. In that, Conrad Macau has 636 rooms. Holiday Inn Macau Cottage Strip has 1,224 rooms. Sheraton Macau has 3,896 rooms, and St. Regis Macau has 400 rooms. Sands Cottage Central Macau opened on 11 April 2012, 8 years ago, and it is located in Cottage Strip. Ras Al Bait, Saudi Arabia, Makkah. It has 5,383 rooms and it is a government-owned complex of 7 skyscraper hotels in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. These towers are a part of King Abdulaziz endowment project that aims to modernize the city in catering to its pilgrims. Ismailov Hotel, Russia, Moscow has 5,000 rooms and 30 floors, the world's largest hotel from 1980 to 1990. More rooms were added after 1993. Ismailov Hotel is a four-building hotel located in Ismailov district of Moscow, Russia. Its 3,500 person capacity with 2,000 rooms made it the world's largest hotel from 1980 when it surpassed the 3,200 room Rosia Hotel also in Moscow until 1993 when the MGM Grand Las Vegas was expanded to 5,009 rooms. Wynn Las Vegas and Encore Las Vegas, United States, Las Vegas. Wynn Las Vegas, often simply referred to as Wynn, is a luxury resort and casino located at the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise. Together with the adjacent Encore, the entire Wynn Resort complex has a total of 4,748 rooms. Encore Las Vegas, also called as Encore at Wynn Las Vegas, often just called Encore, is a luxury resort, casino, and hotel located on the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise. The resort is connected to its sister resort, Wynn Las Vegas. Both are owned by Wynn Resorts and located on the site of the old Desert Inn Resort. Verkhatny-Sezony, Russia, Sochi has 4,688 rooms with 5 floors, 34 buildings. It was the world's largest hotel after being completed in 2014 for the Winter Olympic Games in Sochi, as it had more than 8,500 rooms. At 2018, hotel had sold some buildings and number of rooms decreased to 4,688. Mandala Bay, Delano, and Four Seasons, United States, Las Vegas, has 4,426 rooms. Mandala Bay Tower has 43 floors, and Delano Tower has 47 floors. Delano Las Vegas, formerly known as The Hotel, has 1,118 rooms, luxury suite hotel. Mandala Bay has 3,209 hotel rooms.
When we met, I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while.